How to stop coughing. Before going into video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Number 1. Home treatments. Drink plenty of fluids, or use a cool mist humidifier or vaporizer, to soothe an irritated throat and loosen mucus. Prop your head up on extra pillows at night and have a little honey before bed. Studies show the sweet stuff can help ease a cough. Don't give honey to children under 12 months, though. Number 2. Calm a wet cough. If it's hard to get the mucus out, or if it's thick, look for medicine that says expectorant. That loosens the gunk to help you get rid of it. If you're having post-nasal drip with lots of juicy mucus, you may do better with a medicine that dries you up like Sudafed, pseudoephedrine. If you have cough with fever or shortness of breath, call your doctor. Also check with them before you use cough medicine for serious conditions like emphysema, pneumonia, chronic bronchitis, or asthma. And don't give cough and cold medicine to children under 4. Number 3. Calm a dry cough. You may get one with a cold or the flu, or if you breathe in something irritating like dust or smoke. Medicine that says suppressant helps stop your urge to cough. Plus, it can help you sleep better. Cough drops, or even hard candy, can stop that tickle in the back of your throat. Don't give the drops to children younger than 4. Number 4. Tackle your GERD. Lying down makes it easier for stomach acid to backflow into your esophagus. This condition is known as acid reflux. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a chronic form of acid reflux and a common cause of nighttime coughing. But there are some lifestyle changes you can try to reduce a cough caused by GERD. For example, avoid foods that trigger your GERD. Keep a food diary to help you figure out what these foods are if you're not sure. Don't lie down for at least 2.5 hours after eating. Raise the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches. Number 5. Will antibiotics stop a cough? Usually, no. That's because most coughs are caused by viral infections like colds or the flu, and will get better in a week. Antibiotics only work on infections caused by bacteria. If your cough isn't better after a week, see your doctor to make sure the cause isn't a bacterial illness, like a sinus infection or pneumonia. If it is, you may need an antibiotic. Number 6. Coughs from allergies and asthma. Allergies can make you sneeze, cough, or both. An antihistamine medicine may help. Some newer ones at the drugstore won't make you sleepy. If you're also wheezing, where your breath sounds like whistling, you may have asthma. Go see your doctor. Number 7. Smoker's hack. If you light up, chances are you cough, especially in the morning. But it may be a sign of something more serious. Sometimes smoke irritates your airways and causes inflammation that turns into bronchitis. It can also be a warning sign of cancer. See your doctor if you are coughing up any blood or if a new cough doesn't go away after 1 month. Number 8. What else causes coughs? If yours lasts longer than 8 weeks, a number of things could be to blame. Ongoing coughs can be caused by acid reflux, or gastroesophageal reflux disease. You may hear your doctor call it GERD. Coughs can be a side effect of ACE inhibitors, a kind of blood pressure medicine. They can be a symptom of whooping cough and even heart failure. You need medical care for all of these conditions. Number 9. Rest and take decongestants for a cold. Your coughs may be caused by the common cold. Your cough may worsen at night or when you lie down. Rest, chicken soup, fluids, and time are usually all it takes to beat a cold. Severe coughs due to a cold, however, may be treated with cough medication in adults and children older than 6 years. Decongestant sprays that help reduce post-nasal drip may also be used in adults and children older than 6 years. Number 10. Stop smoking. A chronic cough is a common side effect of long-term smoking. It's not a quick fix, but if you're a smoker, talk to your doctor about programs to help you kick the habit. Not only will your cough improve, your overall health will, too. Let's have a quick look into the top 10 ways to stop coughing. Number 1. Home treatments. Number 2. Calm a wet cough. Number 3. Calm a dry cough. Number 4. Tackle your GERD. Number 5. Will antibiotics stop a cough? Number 6. Coughs from allergies and asthma. Number 7. Smoker's hack. Number 8. What else causes coughs? Number 9. Rest and take decongestants for a cold. Number 10. Stop smoking. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video.